to factor this, you're going to be using what's called the sum and difference of cubes. Now, its title actually describes very well what you're going to be doing. I'm going to use colors to help guide us through this. One of the things that I've noticed about this problem, and one of the things that I teach my students to do, is recognize what are called cubes. 5 to the third power is 125. We're going to leave this x to the third power the way it is because it's already a cube, so we don't need to really worry about it. However, 3 to the third power is 27. Now, if you're going to use the sum and difference of cubes, you need powers of 3. You cannot do this technique unless you have all powers of 3. It's not factorable by this technique. Now, what happens is your answer is going to be broken up into 2 polynomials. One of those polynomials is a binomial. The other polynomial is a trinomial. So it's going to have 3 terms. Well, the first part's super easy. 5x plus 3. I think you can see very clearly where I got the 5x plus 3 from. It's supposed to match identically what your bases are in this problem. Your trinomial, though, is the remainders put together. So here's 1 5, but we were supposed to have 3 5s multiplied together. It would actually make sense that we put the other 2 over here. Same thing with the x's. We've only used 1. We'll put the remaining 2 here. The 3, we're going to put it at the end. Now, the middle term is a combination of these 2 terms multiplied together. So you're going to get 15x in the very middle of this trinomial. What most people tend to forget is the negative sign that goes right here. There is only one negative sign in the entire answer. And when you have the sum of cubes, the negative sign can only go in this location. Only go in this location. If it's the difference of cubes, the negative sign will go here. And you can watch some of my other videos to see why. This is a positive sign. Your formal answer should be written like this. 5x plus 3, 25x squared minus 15x plus 9. And that's how you factor that binomial using the sum and difference of cubes.